Hi, today I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT image generator. If you find this video helpful, please do leave a like and subscribe. So first, what you're going to do here is you have to go to any web browser and then sign in or log in to your ChatGPT. Now here is where you're going to add or enter your prompt. You can ask anything here on ChatGPT, and I'm going to give you an example. So let's just say, for example, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create an image of a woman. Now, there are some suggestions below. So you can also try this one too. So, for example, create an image of a woman enjoying a sunny day in the park. Enter and then wait for a couple of seconds as it is generating the image that you want according to your prompt. And here's the example. You can download this if you want to. Now let's try another thing here. So for example, a longer version of prompt. So this is what it looks like. And let's see how ChatGPT will generate this prompt right here. Okay, so this is the result right here. You just have to wait for a couple of seconds. And this is the image generated by ChatGPT with the help of a prompt. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add or upload a picture, and also at the same time, I'm going to add a prompt right here, and let's see what will be the result. So I want this picture to turn into anime style portrait of a young woman. Press enter, wait for a couple of seconds, and let's see what will be the result. And here is the result right here. Basically, you can compare also if it's the same or a little bit similar with the picture that you have attached. So that's it. That's how easy it is to use ChatGPT image generator. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.